Okay, so for today, we're going to have subtracting simple and mixed fractions. Diba, sa previous topic natin, we have simple fractions only. So, it means walang whole numbers. Okay? So, for today, meron tayong mga whole numbers na makikita dito sa ating mga examples. Let's have number 1. We have here 2 and 4/5 minus 1/2. Again, we're going to find the LCD or the least common denominator by finding the LCM of 5 and 2. So the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Okay? So we're going to have 10 as our LCD. Okay? So we have here over 10 minus over 10. Now, we're going to copy the whole numbers, which is 2. Okay, so let us now divide. 10 divided by 5 equals 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 divided by 2 equals 5 times 1 equals 5. So we're going now to subtract. Common denominator is 10. We're just going to copy. Okay, 8 minus 5 equals 3. Then don't forget to subtract the whole numbers. But since we only have one whole number which is located on the first fraction, which is 2, we're just going to copy 2. Therefore, the final answer is 2 and 3 over 10. So wala na siyang simplest forms. Yan na yon. Okay? Next, number 2. We have here 4 and 2 over 3 minus 1 and 1 over 5. Again, we're going to get the LCD or the least common denominator. So we have here LCD or LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So we're going to write over 15 over 15. Then we're going to copy the whole numbers, 4 and 1. 15 divided by 3 equals 5 times 2 equals 10. 15 divided by 5 equals 3 times 1 equals 3. We're going to subtract, copy the common denominator which is 15. Subtract the numerators, 10 minus 3 equals 7. Subtract the whole numbers, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay? Make sure that the fraction is already in its simplest form. So 7 over 15 is already in its simplest form. So 3 and 7/15 is the final answer. Next, we have here subtracting whole numbers and simple fractions. What if the first given number is just a whole number and there's no fraction given? So what are we going to do? First, we're going to borrow 1 from the given whole number. So since this is 4, 4 minus 1, 4 will become 3. Then we're going to look at the denominator of the second fraction, so which is 7. Then we're going to make a fraction using that number. So we can have 7 over 7. Fractions having the same numerator and denominator is a whole number or equals to 1. So therefore, 3 plus 1 equals 4. So ito pa rin yon, yung whole number natin. Okay? Now, copy the second fraction, 2 over 7. Okay. So we can now apply the rules in subtracting similar fractions. So, copy the common denominator, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Copy the whole number, which is 3. So the final answer is 3 and 5 over 7. Okay? Next, number 4, last one. What if the first fraction is smaller than the second fraction, or the second fraction is greater than the first fraction? Sa whole number, 2 cannot be, or 4 cannot be subtracted from 2. Si 4 daw, ibabawas mo sa 2, hindi basta-basta. Papasok kasi dyan yung tinatawag natin na integers. So, same with fractions. Meron din tayong mga rules kapag mas malaki yung second given number kesa dun sa first. Okay. So, First, we need to borrow 1 from the whole number of the first fraction. So 5 minus 1, 5 will become 4. After that, we're going to look at the denominator of the given fraction, which is 6. So we're going to make another fraction. So 6 over 6. Like what I've said earlier, fraction with the same numerator and denominator is equal to 1. Therefore, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So ito yon, yung whole number. Then, we're going to add 2 over 6 and then minus 2 and 4 over 5. Okay, so we're going to add this. We have here 4. Common denominator is 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Then, copy the second fraction. 2 and 4 over 5. Then, we're going to go back to the rule. So, we're going to get the LCD. 6 and 5, LCM is 30. Okay, 30. Copy the whole number, 4 and 2. 8. So, we have here 30 divided by 6 equals 5 times 8 equals 40. 30 divided by 5 equals 6 divided by, times 30 divided by 5 equals 6 times 4 equals 24. Okay. Copy the common denominator, which is 30. Then, subtract the numerators. 40 minus 24 equals 16. Okay. Subtract the whole numbers. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 16 can still be divided. 16 and 30 can still be divided by what number? So, pwede pa silang i-divide sa 2. Right? So, we can have 2 and 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. So, the final answer is 2 and 8 over 15. Okay? So, take a look at these given examples. So, pwedeng balikan, pag-aralang mabuti para makasagot kayo sa inyong mga exercises and exams. That's all. Thank you!